Boys, we're crossing over to Wisconsin right now. Look at this. First time I'm going over this bridge in like over a year. Holy shit, it's been a while. Look at how beautiful everything is. Guys, this is probably going to come out late, but happy 4th of July. Look at this view. Absolutely no one behind me. We're heading over to Exit 1 fireworks right now, though. We're going to get some stuff, and it should be pretty fun. All right, I did not get any fireworks myself, but my brother and Logie did. Oh my God, he's going to kill himself. Even though it's just firecrackers, he's short enough for the firework explosion to blind him. Since it's the day of, you got like 60% off a shit ton of things, 30% off. The place to go when you don't have anywhere else to go on 4th of July and you don't have many fireworks. Boom, Exit 1, baby. Now sponsor me. Shake. Shake on it. Sponsor me. Just heading home now. It's a beautiful night. Wisconsin night. It's a beautiful Wisconsin night. I've had no one on my ass this entire time. Let's go! Look at this. Look at this. Oh! I want a tour so bad. I want to see more places like this. This is my favorite part about being out in the open. And the smell is as fresh as ever out here in the country. Truck route. Woo! I'm a truck, baby, because I'm hauling ass. Whoa! I'm not going fast at all. Wow. Now I'm gonna haul ass. Here we go. Woo! Wide open. Welcome to Minnesota, my phone says. Oh, thank you. Holy shit, I read 1861 and I just see a fucking cannon. What the fuck? Let me touch it. Let me touch it. Let me just touch the gas. I can't touch the gas. And if this person could go any slower, I would appreciate it. You know, I was gonna buy a motorcycle from that place back there. There's a lot of complaints from people, and I had a complaint because the guy was really half-assed with us. He didn't give us any information, nothing. So I ended up not going to that place. I left on a good note though, so at least that counts for something. I don't know. Beautiful outside. I'm beautiful. All right, I'm gonna leave it here, guys. Remember to keep on riding, be safe, and enjoy your life. Close soon again after this. Who knows when that'll be? Probably early. I'll see you guys in the next one. Remember to boop boop, and see ya.